It's day 5, and I am on my way down to get some breakfast. Join me. Breakfast was great. I'm about to go see if I can sit in on the jewelry presentation.
Diamond. Diamond.
Hello, hello, hello. We have been seated for dinner 5 times now, and it's wonderful. I did not know it was a spectator sport to watch people run to catch the ship. Hey, let's check out the event of the day and what we got up for shopping. So I bought 2 rings. Love Blooms was excellent. Okay, this is my outfit for the day, and I'm going to wear these shoes. Well, good morning, good morning. It's day 5, and I am on my way down to get some breakfast and just enjoy the remaining days of this amazing cruise. Join me.
Like joy came in the morning and the birds are singing sweet sound.
Well, good morning again. We have made it down to breakfast, and this just really seems to be my favorite spot to have breakfast. So I am really excited. And today's going to be a beautiful day. The sun is shining out there already. And I'm glad you'll be along with me. Well, breakfast was great. I'm about to go see if I can sit in on the jewelry presentation.
Remember, my friend, that God is greater than our problems. When it feels like you can't make it through, just find your gratitude.
Sparkles. We all love sparkles. This is the one that is usually the most widely misunderstood. The highest clarity diamonds are these ones, FL and IF. Flawless and internally flawless. These are the museum quality diamonds. Then we're going to move on to VVS1 and VVS2, very slightly included. You need an electron microscope to see any of the inclusions. Color grade starts with the letter D. The diamond color grade starts with the letter D. So they have the new grading, D all the way to Z. Everything from D to J is considered eye colorless. To our eyes, they look colorless. But color is not necessarily a bad thing in diamonds because we have something like this.
it's time for dinner. Join me.
Oh, well, hello. We have been seated for dinner 5 times now, and it's wonderful. At a different table. I'm one table over than I was from the other night, but I'm still at this wonderful, amazing window view. And all is good, and the wine was waiting in this area for me when I arrived. My traveling friends and my soon-to-be traveling friends, cheers to you. Delicious. I've had a wonderful day. We were in Roatan, Honduras. I did not get off the ship, but I was able to see some amazing views from my balcony, as well as from other areas on the ship. And right before dinner, I was in the general lounge area. I did not know it was a spectator sport to watch people run to catch the ship. And I didn't realize it until the closer and closer we got to leaving Honduras that more and more people came to the area to stand along the window to watch. So I was able to, at the last minute, pull out my phone 2 minutes before the ship was literally to move away from the dock, and I caught some runners. I had no idea that it was such an interesting spectator sport for those who were interested in doing that. So thank God they did make it on the ship. So here we are at dinner. I haven't even looked at the menu yet, but I'm gonna check out that menu and of course take you along with me. Thank you very much. That's perfect. Thank you. Well, my food has arrived and it looks delicious. So, you know, I'm gonna give you the first bite. Let's see. Oh, it's done just perfectly. There you go, first bite. Oh, the fat on it is amazing. So I am gonna catch a show after dinner. It's called Love Dreams, I think. What's interesting, the shows on this ship have been different. They've been based on movies and having themes like love songs and love themes, which have been great. Hopefully you've been able to watch them. But the themes have just been different as opposed to the other themed shows that I've seen on the Meraviglia. For example, the Meraviglia has a show called Divas. So it's all the songs, you know, from the great singers, Aretha Franklin, Beyonce, Whitney Houston. You know, they really just do a tribute to the divas. Then there's another show that they have on the Meraviglia called Disco. And so you have all the disco songs and everything. So here it's a little different. Everything is put to cinematography in the background. And then there's the wonderful singing and the amazing choreography. And I think I really, really like that. It's so different. So I'm gonna check that out tonight and make sure you're right along with me. And I'm just finishing my bottle of wine. So I ordered another bottle that will last dinner tomorrow and dinner Saturday. Yes, it will. I promise you, it will get me through 2 dinners. Hey, let's check out the event of the day and what we got up for shopping. Some Invicta watches, 40% off. You're gonna hear some dancing in the background. These are the rings. I purchased 4 of them so far. Look at that one. It's gorgeous. So now I'm gonna have to find another one. I thought I had seen all these rings since I bought 4 of them so far, but this is different and I love it. All right, found another one. This is cute. I'm gonna get this for my forefinger. Very cute. So I found 2. So I bought 2 rings. They're gorgeous. You know, you think you've seen them all, but of course you haven't. And this morning I ran out of black eyeliner, so I will stop over and see if there's some black eyeliner. If not, I'll get it in the morning. It's no big deal. Oh my God, this table is 50% off, you guys. Look at that. All right, let's see if they've got any eyeliner. Let's see. I just need some black eyeliner. Some liquid eyeliner. Hi, do you have any black liquid eyeliner? Oh, let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. How easy to apply. Oh, I'll take it. Thank you so much. Let's see. Yep, yep. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Claudia. Thank you. Dancing we've been hearing in the background.
Please, let's put your hands together as they present to you Love Blues. Feels like I'm lost in a deep cloud of heavenly sand. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. I submit, say, only fools rush me. I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do. Your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh, yes, you will always be my endless love. Well, how about that? If you will show me to enjoy his Love Blues.
Love Blooms it was excellent. The entertainment on this ship is so different. The other ship, it's more Broadway style, but I really love the cinematic theme to all of the shows this cruise. Love Blooms was great.